So guys, good morning. And today is Monday and market has already opened and I've placed a trade on my account. This is it right here, it's playing out. So while I'm going to be explaining, I'm going to be watching out on the trade. What I'm going to be saying in this topic right now is all about risk management. What is risk management? Risk management is all about allocating some amount of risk that you're going to be taking for that day. If you have exceeded that price, if you have exceeded that extent, then you are off for that day. But our subconscious mind has already made us believe that no, we can't lose because of our upbringing from our parents. They taught us that anytime you lose, you are going to you're definitely a failure. And because of the pressure we have putting ourselves in making sure that we make a lot of money or we make money and live that lavish lifestyle we are seeing online, obviously we tend to forget about risk management, which risk management is the most important part of every trader that is going to be successful must take possible precaution. Like you must take it as your number one priority. Like me, I'm literally profitable, but once eventually I undergo one losing day like this, eventually that my account is gone, and which I'm trying to be more cautious in knowing that even if I lose, my account is still there. But what is like not giving me that F1 that okay, I must revenge that money that I have lost, or what gave me that F1 that money that I have lost, I'm still going to make it back on the revenge of any trade I'm going to be taking next again on that same day. Because my plan, I've already written down everything that I'm going to be doing for that. Like if I lose for that day, that is I'm off for that day, so I'm not going to be taking any trade again. But I just want to make money irrespective of, we forget about that there is risks that is involved in every business that you do, and we don't want to take risks when it comes to forex trading. So what am I going to be doing right now is I want to know if I lose for that day. I just want to know what will happen. Will I die or will anything happen to me? I don't just know, but I'm going to be documenting this process. This account, I'm going to be showing you the process of everything, and if it's going to, if a certain day will come that I will make any loss, I just want to know if I'm going to be losing or if I'm going to be revenge trade or not, because it can't. I swear to God, I'm passing this feelings of revenge trade, because anytime I take any loss, I will fall back to the market and risk the game to make sure I make that money back. 80% of the time it doesn't go well for me. I still don't know why I'm still continuous doing it, and I still believe that is the problem of every trader, because most especially with $100, $200, and which is the bare minimum. You can't make such amount of money, a reasonable amount of money from that with trading. So you need at least bigger capital to capitalize on, because eventually you can't use that one to get yourself your dream house or your dream car. So eventually you try to make every effort to not to take any loss. But trading is just like gradual process. You lose, you win, you win, you lose, you lose, you win. But even me, I have a higher win rate. But any day I lose a trade like this, that account is gone, despite the 7 days win or the 8 days win. I don't just know why. That is why I'm documenting this account to see how far I will go on it. And it's currently playing out fine. So let's hopefully see. I just wish I can just take the ability of handling risk just like way ups. I wish I can implement that on my trading style. Obviously, I'm going to be the best forex trader in Nigeria. But I just pray that I'm able to accomplish this, because documenting this, that is why I always urge every forex trader that you are coming up, you should have one social media account that you ought to be posting every day, that it will keep you more disciplined in an extent, because you need to be held accountable of what you are doing, because it's not going to be funny, because only one will just be at home bored, and because of that boredness you want to revenge trade. Even if you are taking that loss, it is proper to take a win and relax. But once you have taken the loss, you just feel like, oh, and there's nobody that's going to be cautioning me or how I'm going to be living my life. You just come enter MetaTrader 5 and click. So funny. And this trade is going to be playing that way. Let's say I go on. Today is Monday. Make sure that today is Monday. You don't go and blow your account today, because there are a lot of opportunities around the corner waiting for you. And this one will not define that you're not a good trader or a bad trader. So follow me on this account. I'm going to appreciate every one of you that follows on this progress. And on this account, I'm just risking $7 in making $10 because every Monday on my plan, I always win irrespective of how the outcome might. Because what I literally do is that I follow the trend. And what is the trend? Is by going to the 4-hour time frame, looking for the past tense. Today is Monday, right? I'm looking for the past tense, looking for the past trend of the market, and then I know that the market will not eventually go against the trend on a particular timing because I work on timing a lot. And this time, you are going to see it on, you'll be seeing it particular time. The market is going to obey that previous trend that happened last week. So that is the obvious reason I take a buy on this account, and it's going to be going pretty well because every month I make sure that I make up to like 50% of the account, even irrespective of how the trend might play out entirely on this day. Look at the way I'm sweating. Oh gosh. And today is Monday and I don't have any much stuff to do. Let me just dress my bed, dress this thing up, and we are good. Ooh. Are you guys seeing it? So funny. We don't have light. So guys, I think it's going to be all for today, and I don't have any much thing to say because, but all I just believe is that make sure you put in the right risk, man. I just wish that I can just be like the way ups, which allocate a risk properly. If you say I want to risk $50 for that day, that is the amount is going to risk. But for me, even if I have 7 winning streak on a row, that day that I'm going to lose a single trade, obviously I'm going to blow that account that same day, and I don't know why. Which I just pray that one day I just have one loss and see the reaction I'm going to be facing. If I'm going to place any trade for that day again, or just obey what I just said to myself right now. I'm so pissed off. I'm pissed off, I mean. Look at the way I'm cute. These pimples. So guys, oh, catch you guys in next one.